matrices part 9 exercise, second exercise. Okay, today solve some problems. Product, solution, order is 3 by 3, it is also 3 by 3 matrix. So number of columns of A equals to number of rows of B. Therefore product is exist, right? First row, first column elements, 0 into A square, 0 into A square plus C into AB, ABC minus B into AC minus ABC, right? First row, second column, 0 into AB, C into B square, CB square minus B into BC minus B square C, right? First row, third column, 0 into AC plus C into BC, BC square minus B into C square minus BC square. First row is over. And the second row, first column, minus C into A square minus CA square. Second row, first column, 0 into AB, A into AC, A square C. Second row, second column, minus ABC, 0 into B square, A into BC, ABC. Second row, third column, minus C into AC minus AC square, 0 into BC plus 0 into BC plus A into C square, AC square. Next, third row, first column, B into A square, BA square minus A into AB minus A square B, 0 into AC, right? Third row, second column, B into AB, AB square minus A into B square minus AB square, 0 into BC, 0 into BC, right? Third row, third column, ABC minus A into BC minus ABC, okay? C, 0 into C square, 0 into C square is over. Simplify this one. 0 into something, 0, ABC cancel, 0 into something, 0, CB square cancel, BC square cancel, CA square cancel, ABC cancel, AC square, ABC, AB square, A square B cancel. 0 and something 0, 0 and something 0, 0 and something 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It is a null matrix. It is null matrix. It is a null matrix. Okay, right. Next problem, second one. Find A square where A equal to 4, 2, minus 1, 1. So, given A equal to 4, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1. Find the value of A square. A square means A into A, A into A. Here A equals to 4, 2, minus 1, 1 and A equal 4, 2, minus 1, 1. Order of matrix 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So number of columns, number of rows equal. Product is exist. First row, first column, 4 4s are plus 2 into minus 1. Okay, first row, second column, 4 into 2 space, 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Second row, first column, minus 1 into 4 plus 1 into minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. 4 4s are 16 minus 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 equals to 14, 10 minus 5 minus 1. It is the answer. Okay, if A equal to I 0 0 I, find A square. Find A square. Listen, important. Given matrix A equals to I 0 0 I. Okay, now find A square. It means A into A. A equals to I 0 0 I 0 0 I. Right. Product. First row, first column, I into I plus 0 into 0. I into 0 plus 0 into I. Next, second row, first column, 0 into I plus I into 0. 0 into 0 plus I into I. I square plus 0. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0. 0 plus I square. I square 0. 0 I square. Here, since I square equals to minus 1, it is a complex number in second year. Complex numbers. I means imaginary part. I square equals to minus 1. That equals to minus 1 0 0 minus 1. Right. Next. Given matrix A equals to 2 4 minus 1k and A square equals to null set. Right. A square, find the value of A square. A into A. A equals to 2 4 minus 1 4. Okay, 2 4 minus 1 k. Right, first row, first column. 2 2s are plus 4 into minus 1. 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 4 into k. 4k. Right. Second row, first column, minus 1 into 2 plus 4 into minus 1. Minus 1 into 4. 4 into k. 4k. Okay. 4 minus 4. 8 plus 4k. Minus 2 minus 4. Okay, minus 2 second row, second column, first column, 2 into 4. Okay, 2 into 4. second row minus 1 into 2, minus 1 into 2, sorry, here. So k into 1 minus k, right, minus 1 into 4 minus 1 into 4 minus k into k, k square, right, minus 4 plus k square, 0, 8 plus 4k, minus 2 minus k, minus 4 plus k square. Okay, so given by a square is equals to null set, a square equals to 0, 8 plus 4k, minus 2 minus k, minus 4 plus k square equals to null set means 0, 0, 0. Corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal, right? Corresponding elements are equal. They are equals to any one. Minus 2 minus k equals to 0. This implies k equals to minus 2. K equals to minus 2.